Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Otter.ai for AI meeting notes and summaries, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Otter.ai website. Click on the sign up button if you don't have an account. If you already have an account, click on the login button. Once you're signed in, locate the download section. Choose the appropriate version. For Windows users, for Mac users, click on the Mac download link. After the file downloads, locate it in your Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to begin the installation. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. Once installed, launch the Otter.ai application. Log in with your credentials if prompted. You will now see the main dashboard of Otter.ai. To start using Otter.ai for your meetings, click on the Record button. Ensure your microphone is working properly. Select the appropriate audio input for clearer notes. Otter.ai will transcribe your meeting in real time. After your meeting ends, stop the recording. You can access the transcription in the My Conversations section. Review and edit any parts of the transcription if needed. For summaries, click on the Summary feature in your notes. Here, you can generate concise summaries of your meetings. Utilize the sharing options to share notes with team members if required. Explore additional features like keyword extraction and speaker identification. Enjoy using Otter.ai to enhance your meeting productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.